What are the 3 factors to create highly profitable digital courses? Creating highly profitable digital courses involves several key factors, but 3 essential ones are: market demand and niche selection. Choose a course topic that has high demand and a sizable target audience. Conduct thorough market research to identify pain points, interests, and needs within your chosen niche. Validate the demand for your course topic through keyword research, competitor analysis, and audience feedback. Selecting a profitable niche with strong demand increases the likelihood of attracting students and generating revenue from your course. Quality content and value proposition. Create high-quality course content that provides substantial value to your students. Ensure that your content is well-structured, comprehensive, and engaging, catering to different learning styles and preferences. Offer unique insights, practical advice, and actionable strategies that set your course apart from competitors. Establish a clear value proposition that communicates the benefits and outcomes of taking your course, compelling prospective students to enroll. Effective marketing and promotion. Develop a robust marketing and promotion strategy to reach and attract your target audience. Utilize various channels and tactics such as email marketing, social media, content marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, partnerships, and advertising. Tailor your messaging and strategies to resonate with your audience's interests and motivations. Implement conversion optimization techniques to maximize enrollment and sales. A well-executed marketing plan is crucial for driving traffic, generating leads, and ultimately converting them into paying students, contributing to the profitability of your digital course.